Syazmin dia tak boleh masuk.
Okay, let's discuss a question 1 on the chapter 1. Consider the following matrix. You have matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, matrix D, matrix E, and then matrix F. Okay, and then you want to find the following operation if possible. Okay, remember the word if possible means that not all the operation you can get the solution. Okay, so looks on question A, you want to find matrix A plus B. Okay, if you look on the matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and then matrix B also 2 by 2. So since the size is equal, you can get the summation between A and B. Okay, so matrix A 2, 5, 3, 4 plus 3, negative 2, 5, 4. So you can get 5, 3, 8, 8. Okay, that one for A. And then for B, you want to find matrix D plus E. So your matrix D is 3 by 3 and then matrix E also 3 by 3. Since size is equal, so you can solve lah this problem. Okay, so you can get matrix D 1, 2, 3, 5, negative 1, 6, 7, negative 2, 8, and then matrix E 1, negative 1, 5, 4, negative 2, 6, 5, negative 2, and 5. So you can get 2, 1, 8, 9, negative 3, 12, and then 12, negative 4, 13. Okay. Semua boleh dapat? Simple operation je ni. Okay. And then C. C you want to find A minus C. Okay. So A minus C. Minus pun sama juga. Awak kena tengok dia punya size should be equal. Must be equal. Baru awak boleh solve. Okay. So matrix A 2, 5, 3, 4. And then matrix C 8, 6, 1, negative 7. So when you want to find minus 2 minus 8. Okay, and then 5 minus 6. Also same thing for 3 minus 1 and then 4 minus negative 7. So your answer is negative 6, negative 1 to 11. Okay, that one for C. For D, also a same thing. For size 3 by 3, you have matrix D and then matrix F. When you solve it, you can get negative 2, 4, negative 3, 1, negative 2, 14, 2, negative 2, 15. Okay? Any problem? Question 1A until D. Okay, now look the next one. Question E. Looks on the question E. A plus 2x equal to C. Okay, A plus 2x equal to C, and then you want to find matrix X. Okay, so matrix X, we have matrix A. This one is matrix A 2, 5, 3, 4 plus 2x equal to C. What you want to find the matrix X? So this matrix A goes to the right hand side. So it's become minus 2x equal to 8 6, 1, negative 7 minus 2, 5, 3, 4. So you can get 6, 1, negative 2, negative 11. And then on the left hand side still have 2. You want to find matrix X only. So this 2 must goes to the right hand side. It's become 1 over 2. So all the element inside the matrix you must divide by 2. So you can get 3, 1 over 2, negative 1 and negative 11 over 2. That one for E. Next, for F, you want to find also matrix X, but D equal to D minus 2X equal to F. Also a same thing. Sama je prosedur dia. Okay. So this one, matrix D is this matrix minus 2X, and then you can get equal to F. Also same thing. As your friend solve it, dia akan pergi ke sebelah sana. But remember, this one you have negative 2. X, okay, goes to that side, left, right hand side, it is become minus here. So the solution for right hand side is 2, negative 4, 3. Saya tak nampak. Negative 1, 2, negative 14, negative 2, 2 and negative 15. Also same thing on the left hand side ada negative 2x. So you must divide all the item with negative 2. So you can get matrix X. And then your final answer is negative 1. This one, negative 1 become 2. Negative 3 over 2. 1 over 2. Negative 1, 7. 1, negative 1, 15 over 2. Okay, next looks on question G. Question G, you want to find B times A, matrix B times A. So you must write something like this, okay? You have matrix B, 3, negative 2, 5, 4, and then matrix A, 2, 5, 3, 4. So this one is a multiplication. You must times 3 minus 2 plus negative 2 times 3. So something like this one. Okay. And then for second element, 3 times 5 plus negative 2 times 4. And then the third element is 5 times 2 plus 4 times 3. And the last one, 5 times 5 plus 4 times 4. So you can get 0, 7, 22, 41. This one for question G. Okay. And then question 2. Also a same thing. You want to find B times A. Tulislah sama dengan ini. Okay, B times A. 5 times 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when you solve it, you can get 23, 34, 31, 46. Okay, next, looks on question 3. Perform the indicate matrix operation if possible. Okay. So this one also same thing. You want to find matrix B minus A. Sama je dengan soalan satu tadi. Cuma the value of matrix is different. So B minus A seems the size is equal. So you can get 6, 3, negative 5, negative 2. And then for B, C plus D. Okay. If you look, your C is 1 times 4. Matrix 1 times 4. Size dia. Okay. And then for D is 4 times 1. Since the size is not equal, so your operation is undefined. Okay. And then C, A plus B. So we know that your A matrix is 2 times 2. And then your B matrix is 2 times 2. Since size is equal, so you can solve this operation. So you can get negative 2, 3, negative 3, and 2. That one for C. And then for D, you want to find the operation between matrix A plus D. We know that matrix A is 2 by 2, and then matrix D is 4 times 1. Since size is not equal, so it is undefined. Okay? Okay. For question 5, question 4, you want to find negative 5A plus 2B. Okay, so you have matrix A is negative 1, 2, negative 3, 4 times by 5 here, times by negative 5. So this one, your friends solve individually, so you can get apa ni? Negative 5 times negative 1. So you can get 5. Tak ada negatif ni. And then negative 5 times by 2. Negative 10. Negative 5 times by negative 3. So 15. And then negative 5 times by 4. Negative 20. Also same thing for the second one is 2b. 2 times by matrix 0, 1, negative 2, 3 equal to this one 0, 2, negative 4, and then 6. Okay. And then when you want to solve it, this one tak ada, just only 5, 5, negative 10, 15, negative 20, plus 0, 2, negative 4, 6. So this one just only 5 plus 0. So you can get 5. Okay, ni dia tukar. And then your final answer is 5, negative 8, 11, negative 14. Okay, yang ni tak ada minus ya. That one for question 4. So make sure, kalau tengok soalan simple. But make sure please check carefully. Okay, jangan buat mistake yang simple macam ni. Okay, dalam tutorial okay lah. But in your test, your assignment, your final exam, please check carefully. Okay. Next, question 4. Okay. Question 5, we don't have it because also equal. Okay. And then looks on question 6. Question 6, you want to find matrix A times B, whereby you have matrix A is 2 times 3, which is 1, 0, 2, negative 3, negative 1, 4. And then matrix B 3 times 2, 0, negative 1, 1, 2, 0, negative 2. Okay, since this one 2 times 3, 3 times 2, so you can solve it. Okay, your final answer nanti akan dapat matrix 2 times 2. Okay, macam mana kita dapat ni? Because you have matrix 2 times 3 times by matrix 3 times 2. Okay, dia akan mati kayak ni. So you can get matrix 2 times 2, the last one. Okay, so how to solve it? 1 times 0 plus 0 times 1 here plus 2 times 0 here. So you can get this one is 0. Okay. And then the second one, one times negative 1 here. And then 0 times 2 is 1. And then 2 times by negative 2, this one. So your final answer for that one is negative 5. Next. Also a same thing. Tengok yang bawah ni pula. Okay. You can get negative 3 times 0 plus negative 1 times 1 and then 4 times 0. So you can get negative 1. And then the last one, you can get negative 7. So this one is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Now looks on question 7. Question 7, you have matrix A and then matrix B, also same thing. Find matrix A times B. Since you want to find matrix A times B, okay, so you can get apa? Okay, so 1 times 4, this one, okay, and then 1 times 5, this one. Dia tak ada kat bawah tu, hanya darab biasa direct je ni. Okay, and then 2 times 4, this one, 2 times 5, and then the last one, 3 times 4, this one, and then 3 times 5, this one. So your final answer is 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15. Okay, that one for question 7. Okay, looks on question 8. You have matrix A, this one, and then directly you only want to transpose this matrix. So you can get 1, negative 1, the row become column. Second row become second column. And then the last row become last column. Okay, if you can see that diagonal is not changes. Okay, diagonal dia tak changes. Okay, that one is for transpose. Okay, so this one is a final answer for transpose. Okay, question 9. Question 9, you want to show that whether PQ transpose also equal to Q transpose P transpose. Okay, so this one you must solve one by one. First of all, you must solve left hand side. Okay, PQ. So you must times matrix P times matrix Q. So you can get 4, 5, negative 2, 8, negative 4, 4. This one is P times Q. Okay. And then, where it transpose. So, after you times matrix P times Q, you must find first what is PQ transpose. Okay, because this one just only matrix P times Q. So PQ transpose, okay, PQ transpose become 4, 5, negative 2, 8, and then negative 4, 4. Okay, this one for left hand side. Next, you need to find what is right hand side. Okay. Q transpose times P transpose. So this one is Q transpose. Q transpose become 2013, and then P transpose become 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 3, 4. And then you must times this one. Okay? After you times, so you can get negative 4, and you can get 4, negative 2, negative 4, 5, 8, 4. Okay? And then you must show your solution. Okay? Therefore, okay, left hand side equal to right hand side. So you tunjuklah what is your left hand side. Left hand side PQ transpose equal to is matrix equal to Q transpose P transpose equal to dia matrix. Faham? Janganlah tulis macam ni. So awak tak tunjukkan dia sama ke tak. Because the question want you to find and want you to solve, to show whether PQ transpose is equal or not with Q transpose P transpose. Boleh faham? Your final answer mesti kena tunjuk. Okay. Next. Question B. Show that Q transpose equal to Q. So this one, you must show that Q transpose equal to Q. So Q equal to 2103. Q transpose equal to Q transpose, okay, Q transpose equal to 2013. So this one Q transpose, and then Q transpose equal to 2103. Okay, so ni prove that Q transpose equal to Q. Okay, that one for B. And then for C, find Q plus R transpose. Okay, ni dia suruh find. Okay, so this one for question C. Okay, also same thing. Whether you find Q plus R first or you find Q transpose plus R transpose. Okay, so yang kawan awak ni buat macam mana ni? Okay, so this one Q plus R transpose. Q plus R. 2 plus 3. 1 plus negative 2. 0, 1, 3, 4. This one supposedly put transpose sebab dia nak transpose. Okay. And then 5, negative 1, 1, 7 transpose. So your final answer is 5. This one transpose. Yang ni tak payah dah. Okay. Sebab dia bukan suruh proof. Dia suruh find. Dia tak suruh proof. Dia suruh find je. Okay. Baca soalan betul-betul. Ni tak payah. Because the question only find Q plus R transpose. Okay. Next. Question D. Find 3P transpose. So this one also same thing. You must times by scalar 3 for the matrix P. So you can get 6, 3. Negative 3, 9. Negative 6 and then 6. And then you transpose. So you can get 6, 3, 6, negative 3, negative 6, 3, 9, 6. Okay, so this is the answer. Tak ayah ni apa ni? Okay. So that one for question 9. Okay. Next. Looks on the question 10. Okay. Let A, you have matrix A, but involve K here. And then matrix B, and then matrix C. Bracket tak ada. Okay. Find the value of constant K. You want to find the value of constant K such that AB equal to C transpose. Ni, apa? AB equal to C transpose. Bukan C darat T. C transpose. Kuasa. Ni. C transpose. Kuasa kat atas tu. Kuasa T. Bukannya, kalau awak tulis macam ni, dia assume C times T. Okay? So, C transpose equal to negative 6, negative 4, negative 9. So, it's become 3 times 1 matrix. Okay. And then A times B. A times B, you have 2, 3K, 1, 4, negative 2, 2, 10, negative 5 times by negative 2, 0, 1. So, you can get negative 2 times by negative 2, K times by 0, at 3 times by 0, and K times by 1. So you can get this one. Okay. So the first one is become negative 4 plus K. Okay. Negative 4 plus K, this one equal. Sebab dia equal to transpose. Bukannya darab. Kalau awak buat macam ni, tinggal sama dengan ni, maksudnya darab. Sedangkan dia adalah equal to transpose. C transpose tadi. So, negative 4 plus K equal to negative 6. And then K equal to negative 6, negative 4 goes right hand side. It's become negative 6 plus 4. So, K equal to negative 2. Okay? Okay, next. Question 11. Question 11, you want to find determinant for matrix A. Okay, dia tak mention pengguna method apa, so you can choose either one. Whether you want to find extended columns, okay, extended column of matrix, okay, ataupun awak nak guna method cofactor. Okay, so this one your friend using extended column. Bila awak dah nak buat matrix, fine, dia tak buat bracket gini lagi tau. Dia buat straight macam ni je ni. Okay, so it's become 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 0, 5, 2, 1, and then you extend another 2 column by 1, 6, 5, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so the first one times by these values. Okay, so 1 times 2 times 1 plus 2 times 0 times 5 plus 4 times 6 times 2. So this one equal to 50. Another one, dari bawah ke atas macam ni pula. Okay, so you can get 4 times 2 times 5 plus 1 times 0 times 2 plus 2 times 6 times 1. So this one become 52. And then the determinant of a matrix A, 50 minus 52. So you can get negative 2. Okay. That one for question 11. For question 12, okay, also same thing. You want to find determinant again. Please write this one straight line only. Okay, and then you can get 1 times 2 times 4, 0 times 0 times 1, 2 times 2 times 3. So this one you can get 8. Okay. And then another one is 1 times 2 times 0, 3 times 0 times 1, 4 times 2 times 0. So you can get 0. So the determinant equal to 8 minus 0 equal to 8. Okay. Okay, question number 14A. You want to find determinant of the following matrices. So matrix A, you have 5, 2, 5, 0, 3, 1. Okay, determinant 5 times 1 minus 0 times 3. So you can get 5. Okay, question B. Matrix A equal to negative 2, 2, 3, and negative 2. Determinant equal to negative 2 times by negative 2 minus 2 times 3. So you can get 4 minus 6 equal to negative 2. For question C, matrix A, you have 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 3. Since the question not mentioned which method you must use, so you can choose either one lah, whether using the extended columns or you want to use the cofactor method. Okay, so your friend uses extended column, which is the easiest one lah, the simplest one to solve the determinant, where you add another two column, 1, 3, 0, 2, 2, 0. So the first one, you times this one, 1 times 2 times 2, 2 times 1 times 0, and then 4 times 3 times 0. So you can get 4. Next, 0 times 2 times 4 is 0. 0 times 1 times 1 is 0. And then 2 times 3 times 2 equal to 12. Okay. And then your determinant of matrix A equal to 4 minus 12. You can get negative 8. And then D, also the same thing. Matrix A is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you add another two columns, you can get 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Also the same thing. 3 times 7 times 11. 4 times 8 times 9. 8 times 6 times 10. So you can get 819. And then another one, 9 times 7 times 5, 10 times 8 times 3, 11 times 6 times 4. So you can get 819. Since 819 minus 819, so you can get the determinant is 0. Okay. Next. Question E. Okay. So this one, dia rajin sikit, dia tunjuk dua-dua. Cofactor method and shortcut. Supposedly you can get same answer lah. Okay. If you want to use cofactor method in order to find the determinant, C11, C12, C13. Atas ni. Okay. And then you want to find determinant, negative 1. So you can get negative 4 times negative 2 minus 4 times 3. So you can get here 8 minus 12 negative 4. And then C12 cofactor for 1, 2, negative 1 the power of 1 of plus 2 equal to 3. Since Negative 1 the power of odd number, so it is become negative 1. Okay? And then negative 2 times by negative 2 minus 5 times by 3. So 4 minus 15. So you can get negative 11, but outside you have negative, so it's become 11. Cofactor 1, 3, negative 1 the power of 4. Since the power of even number, so you can get positive 1. Also same thing, negative 2 times by 4, darab silang macam tu, minus 4 times by negative 4. So this one, negative 2 times by 4, negative 8. Okay, and then minus negative 20. Okay, negative 8 minus negative 20 is negative 8 plus 20. Negative 8 plus 20 equal to 11. So you can get the determinant of matrix A, 3 times negative 4 plus 1 times 11 and then 0 times 12. You can get negative 1. Also the same thing if you are using the extended column, this one. Sama je, you can choose either one lah. Okay, that one for E. For F, also the same thing. Saya terangkan yang shortcut pula. Okay, matrix A. So this one also same thing, buat straight line ya. Sebab kita nak cari determinant. Dia bukan lagi matrix. Okay. 3, 0, 5. You add another two column. 3, 1, 1. 3, 0, negative 1. So 3, 0, 5. You can get 0. And then plus 3, negative 4, 1. Okay. So you can get negative 12. And then 1, 1, negative 3. So this one you can get negative 3. 0 plus negative 12 plus by negative 3. So you can get negative 15. And then another one. 1 times 0 times 1 equal to 0. Negative 3 times by negative 4 times by 3. You can get 3 times by negative 3 times by negative 4. 12 times by 3, 36. Okay, and then 5 times 1 times 3 equal to 15. 0 plus 36 plus by 15, so you can get 51. Okay, so negative 15 minus 51, so you can get negative 66. Boleh? Okay, next, our last question, G. Okay, so this one also same thing. By using cofactor method, okay, C11, negative 1, the power of 2 is 1 because the power of even number. 5 times 6 minus negative 1 times 4, so it's become 30 plus 4, 34. Okay, and then negative 1, the power of 3, so it's become negative 1 here because the power of odd number. 2 times 6, okay, 12 minus 28. Okay, so you can get 16. Supposedly negative and then times by negative 1, so you can get 16. Okay, C13, negative 1, the power of 4. So 1, 2 times negative 1 minus 7 times 5. So you can get negative 37. Okay, and then 1 times 34 plus 3 times by 16, negative 2 times by negative 37. So you can get 156. Okay.